The City of Dallas is offering up to $10,000 to residents as part of our Senior Home Repair Program. The goal of the program is to help residents make repairs to their homes to address accessibility concerns or damage that could be life-threatening. The grant is able to be used on repairs such as adding wheelchair-accessible ramps, replacing or repairing HVAC systems, modifications to bring the home up to the city code, and more. To be considered, qualified residents must be over the age of 65, at or below 80% of the area income, in need of repairs at their primary residence to increase accessibility or reduce risk threatening life or safety. To apply, residents may download an application online or pick one up at any library or recreation facility. In order to submit your application, residents need to show proof of household income, proof of identity, proof of age, proof of primary homeowner occupancy, proof of ownership. If you need help filling out your application, the Department of Housing and Neighborhood Revitalization will be hosting seminars throughout the month to assist residents with their applications. Still have questions or need assistance filling out your application? Housing staff may be reached at 214-670-3644 or by visiting their offices at City Hall, 1500 Marilla, 2CN, Dallas, Texas 75201.